Civil emergency message for West Washington. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Washington Homeland Security. A dangerous creature was spotted underwater near Port Angeles. This unknown creature underwater had already killed life underwater, and is expected to land at Port Angeles in the next 2 hours. Residents across Port Angeles are advised to watch out for danger. Stay tuned for more information on this developing situation.
A civil authority has issued a local area emergency for the following counties/areas. Port Angeles, Washington. At 5:38 p.m. on August 28, 2033, effective until further notice. Message from EPOSCAP. The following message is transmitted at the request at the Federal Emergency Management Agency and NASA. In junction with the National Weather Service. At 5:38 p.m. Pacific Daylight Time. The creature that was spotted underwater is confirmed to name Godzilla. This creature had killed 30% of underwater life and will land at Port Angeles in the next 15 to 50 minutes. NASA and the National Weather Service is trying to stop this creature from destroying everything in its path. An immediate evacuation will be issued if this creature does not stop. All residents, if you're on the beach, are advised to seek shelter now. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
Message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the Washington Homeland Security. Godzilla has failed to be taken down. He is now attacking Port Angeles and parts of Port Townsend. All residents in these areas are advised to evacuate now. He is already blasting out a laser that killed 20% of the population. When evacuating, take supplies.
Hello and welcome to Chemo News ABC4. Today Godzilla has attacked Port Angeles and parts of Port Townsend. At Port Angeles Regional Airport we got Sam. Hello Sam.
Hello Allison. Today, Everybody's evacuating because this creature named Godzilla is attacking Port Angeles and parts of Port Townsend. Everybody was sent here to evacuate. Airplanes are trying to arrive as quickly as they could, but he's getting too closer. Hold it below us and I'll be back in a minute.
Well, that was awkward. Godzilla has destroyed it. But we got an activation of the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States Geological Survey, the Federal Emergency Management Agency, and the Washington Homeland Security. Godzilla has destroyed all of Port Angeles and Port Townsend, and now has caused an earthquake and a magnitude of 9.6. This earthquake is headed for the city of Seattle and surrounding areas. Godzilla is expected to collapse the state in the next hour. All residents are advised to leave the state now, as he will take over the state monitor and local media outlet on this dangerous situation.
Message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the Federal Emergency Management Agency. Godzilla has collapsed the state of Washington and has destroyed the nuclear power plant in Washington, and is expected to go on the rampage across the United States in the next hour. All residents across the United States are advised to seek shelter now. Take 14 days of food, water, clothing, medical supplies, and a battery-powered radio or hand-crank radio with extra batteries. Blankets, a full-charge cell phone. Stay tuned for more information on this dangerous situation.
This is an emergency action notification requested by the White House. All EAS participants will follow activation procedures in the EAS Operating Handbook for a national level emergency. The President of the United States, or one of his representatives, will shortly deliver a message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by.
We interrupt our regular programming. This is a national emergency. Important details will follow.
This is an emergency action notification. All broadcast and cable systems shall transmit this emergency action notification message. This cable system has interrupted its regular programming at the request of the White House to participate in the emergency alert system. During this emergency, most cable systems will remain on the air providing news information to the public and assigned areas. This is IPOSCAP. This cable system serves the Los Angeles area. If you're not in this local area, tune to other stations providing news and information. The emergency alert system has been activated. We interrupt our regular programming at the request of the White House. This is the emergency alert system. All normal programming operations has been discontinued during this emergency. This is IPOSCAP. This cable system serves the Los Angeles area. The following message is transmitted at the request of the Federal Emergency Management Agency and the United States government. Godzilla has destroyed the nuclear power plant in Washington and has destroyed other nuclear power plants across the country. It was also confirmed that Godzilla collapsed the state of Washington and burned everything in that state. This is a life-threatening emergency now. He's trying to collapse the USA. Residents across the United States are advised to shelter in place now. The military is trying to stop this creature, but they are having a hard time defending this creature. Monitor and outlet media for more information on this dangerous situation. Please stand by the President of the United States for delivery and message over the emergency alert system. Please stand by.
I'm a representative of the President, who is being moved to in this location. The American society is under attack by this creature named Godzilla, who landed at Washington and destroyed everything in Washington, which caused the state to collapse. He's now trying to get the USA to collapse too. But this is never going to happen, because we are too strong to be fallen under the hands of this creature. We will not fall. We will fight back. We will make the American society stronger. We will make our nation stronger and better. Goodbye and good luck.
Emergency action termination. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government. Godzilla has been killed by the military, but everything across the United States is damaged. It will take up to 300 years to repair the damage. You can leave your shelter, but there is mass destruction everywhere. If your shelter has been destroyed, dialed 911. All normal programming operations can now return.